To create a folder in Apps screen on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we're going to go to the Apps screen or App Drawer. And then in here we have two options. You can, for example, press and hold your finger on the first app that you want to place in a folder, and then you can drag it on top of another app. And there we go, then the folder is created. You can, of course, set up the name for the folder. And you can also use this plus button in order to quickly add more apps into that folder. You can also just keep dragging and dropping more apps into the same folder. That works as well. Another way to create a folder is by pressing and holding your finger on the first app that you want to put in the folder, just like before. But this time, instead of dragging the app, we just wait for this menu to show up, and then you want to choose the select option. Now we can select more apps. So let's say I'm going to choose these ones over here as well. And afterwards, you just want to use the create folder option here in the upper right corner. All of these apps are going to be placed in the same folder, and the rest is pretty much the same. Leave a like and subscribe.